Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy. So right now, in the past 24 hours, the market is actually down 1.61%. So we talked about this on Friday and Saturday, saying that we were hoping for a bullish weekend, obviously, but usually when people are hoping for something, the opposite happens, and that's exactly what happened right now. We're seeing a little bit of a red day here going on Sunday. Obviously, the market is still trading around this, same area it's been trading for about a week or so. Bitcoin around the 46,000 area, down about 1.66% compared to Saturday's prices. Obviously, we had a little pop on Saturday. Ethereum still trading around these prices around the 31.52. It's down about 3%. And then most of these other altcoins obviously are down, but we have some, upside here. Doge is, taking off a little bit back into the 30s once again. We have some other green ones as well, so it's all over the place. Some are green, some are red, but the majority of them are in the red right now. So guys, if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers, guys. I know we can do it. Subscribe and turn on that bell notifications for more videos like this. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links in the description for that as well. And leave a comment below. What is going to happen in the upcoming week? Are we going to see a green bullish week or a red bearish week coming up? Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin is going to be Ethereum Classic, and this is going to be a momentum play. So Ethereum Classic likes to do this a lot. Whenever there's a bull market going on, it tends to run very, very quickly, when it's least expected. So if, Bitcoin's up 1%, Ethereum Classic could be up 10, 20% or so. So right now it is at $73, and it's making this momentum run. So it went from about $64 yesterday on Saturday. Now it's at over $73 already, up about 11%. Past week, it's up about 21% from lows of about $54. And we've been talking about Ethereum Classic and putting it on our list for this exact move. We knew that it was going to happen eventually, and it's happening right now. So here at the low on July 20th, it was at $37. So pretty much right now, if you would have bought in on July 20th, you're up about 90%, almost close to 100% profit in a matter of 3 to 4 weeks right now. Obviously, a good buying price would have been anywhere here before the 50s. Right now in the past year, it's up almost 1,000%, so 927% from lows of $7 last August. Here we had highs of about 180, I believe, actually in May, because I actually traded Ethereum Classic right here, and this is exactly what we're looking for, the same momentum type situation that we saw here. So we're hoping for an outbreak here on Ethereum Classic to reach past that $100 area and potentially keep on going in the upcoming weeks, obviously, as long as the rest of the market is green as well. So market cap right now is 9.6 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 6.2 billion. So Ethereum Classic is a cryptocurrency with a specific or special focus on immutability, popular expressed as the code is law. So obviously a lot of people mix this one up with Ethereum because they believe that Ethereum is Ethereum Classic. Well, it's totally different, guys. Ethereum Classic is a totally different coin. Ethereum is, the second coin, I guess you could say, as popularity, and then we have Ethereum Classic, which is not. So people see the cheap price, I guess you could say, and a lot of people are trading obviously on Robinhood and these other apps that are very easy to use. So they see Ethereum Classic on Robinhood and it's trading at $70, and they believe that it's Ethereum, the actual Ethereum coin. They're like, oh yeah, I'm buying this, it's a cheap coin, I can afford it. Meanwhile, when they look at Ethereum, it's trading at over $3,000, and it makes people not want to buy it because the coin is so much more expensive. So some people just don't see it the way we do, obviously, especially these new investors, because they don't understand how market cap works and different things like that in the crypto space. So Ethereum Classic is very popular only because of the name, pretty much, and it has that momentum type swing up and down very, very quickly when the market moves. So that's our first altcoin, guys. Second altcoin is gonna be Solana. So Solana, one of those green coins that we talked about for months now. This one's been doing very, very well this week. It's been on fire. So Solana is up about 9% in the past 24 hours, trading at around $48.47. In the past week, it's up 23% from lows down here about $36 or so. In the past month, it's up 55% almost. We were at lows of 22 on July 20th. If you would have bought around that area, around 22 to 24, right now you would be up 100% profit in a matter of 3 to 4 weeks. So that was a huge run up in the past 3 or 4 weeks. 100% profit, nice gains right there. On the 1 year chart, we're up over 1400%, guys, from $3 all the way to highs up here of about $58. And obviously here from 41 to 58, the reason we saw this huge jump in about 2 or 3 days is because that's when the green coin started to get real popular. That was when Elon Musk said that Tesla would not be accepting Bitcoin until further notice because it was not good for the environment, and different things like that. So that people were looking for a greener coin that was better for renewable energy and things like that. And obviously Solana, Aave, we had a couple of other coins as well on the list that were doing very well because of this exact reason. So right now we're seeing finally an uptrend happening here with Solana. We broke through the previous area that was the high right there. Now the next high is obviously that high that we saw on May 17th. So we're going to be aiming for that $50 area and above, obviously, in the upcoming weeks, and for it to continue to go on higher and higher. Hopefully by the end of 2021 we'll be at all-time highs. Market cap right now in Solana is at 13.9 billion. The volume on this coin is around 646.4 million. Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake, consensus, and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. So obviously, guys, as we continue to grow in the crypto space, these greener coins are going to be popular, obviously, because people will start to care more about the environment and actually look for better, mining rigs and mining things to do in order to get these coins going, obviously. So that is going to be a huge deal in the future, and definitely nice to load up before all of this happens, because you want to be there on the run up. So that's our second coin. Our third coin, very popular coin. It used to be one of the top coins back in the day, XRP, also known as Ripple. A lot of you guys that have been investing for a while should know this coin. It is up about 2.5% right now. It is at $1.26. In the past week, it's up 55% almost, guys. We were at lows of about 76 cents, and we've been on a massive run in the past week or so. Past month, 103% insanity. It was at lows of 52 cents here. You'd be up over 100% if you bought down here at the low on July 20th. So this coin has been on fire. And if you guys see this pattern, most of these altcoins are up over 100% in the past month or so, and that's just insane. If you compare it to the stock market, you're not going to be seeing 100% gains, not even in a year, not even in 2 or 3 years most of the time. It's going to take you, 5 to 10 years, depending on whatever stock you're looking at, to get these type of returns. And that's if you get lucky. Crypto, all these altcoins are doing the same thing. It doesn't really matter which one. As long as you pick one of the top coins, obviously, you're making profit, basically. That's what people are seeing right now. And this is when the FOMO can start to happen. So if you see FOMO, fear of missing out, people will start loading in their money just because they see coins running up very quickly right now. And then eventually, they're going to get burned, just like we saw happen here, obviously, in the April-May situation, when we saw the whole crypto market crash on down lower for about a month or so. Same pattern. People were, getting in because they just saw everything was going up every single day. It was green, green, green. Anything you buy, pretty much you make a return. So that's why we saw that huge sell-off, obviously, and then everybody was waiting for another, turn on the upside, and we were consolidating for a while, and now finally we're seeing that upside once again. So it would be nice to see Ripple, break through that $1.50 area once again and continue to go to 52-week highs right there. Market cap on this one, 59.5 billion, 13.2 billion volume in the past 24 hours. So this one is a cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment network, built for the enterprise use. XRP aims to be a fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. So that is what Ripple does, and those are our 3 altcoins, guys. What do you guys think about these altcoins? Let me know in the comments below. Actually, let me know what you think about them. Do you own any of these? Are you buying, selling, or holding any of them as well? Now, what we're going to be doing is looking at the rest of the market and see how everything is performing. Obviously, volume-wise, Bitcoin is destroying everything by a long shot, obviously. Then we have Ethereum. But then right here, if you take a look, actually, XRP, also known as Ripple, is right behind them. It's only 12 billion right there compared to the other ones. It's catching up, so that is a nice thing. Bitcoin down about 1.6%. We hit highs of about 47,000 over the weekend on Saturday. Then we saw this pullback here going to Sunday. Past week, 3% higher. Past month, 40% higher. And then obviously in the 1-year chart, 287%. We're finally seeing that uptrend, and here we talked about the uptrend. We saw a little bit of pullback, which we predicted pretty much, and then we hope for another breakout, and that's exactly what happened. Next move we're looking for is to get through that 49 to 50,000 resistance. Once we can break through that, we're going to the moon, guys. So that's exactly what we're going to be looking forward to right now. Market cap 865.6 billion on Bitcoin. Volume in the past 24 hours at 29.3 billion. So Bitcoin is moving. It's moving fast, guys. You might see a little bit of a pullback, but then it shoots on higher the next day, and we're seeing, profits once again. Ethereum is down about 3%. So obviously, Bitcoin is been moving slower compared to Ethereum on the upside and on the downside as well. So right now, Ethereum was at highs about 3,300 on Saturday, pulled back down to 3,152 right now. In the past week, it's pretty much flat, so trading sideways. Past month, over 58%, skyrocketing to the moon from 1,700, guys. In the past year, 628%, obviously outperforming Bitcoin, as it has been for a while now. The coin is trading, it was at 431 last summer, hit highs of 4,400 here in May, pulled back down, consolidated for a while, and now we're seeing this uptrend once again. Our next area we're looking for is obviously that 3,500 area. Once we break through 3,500, then we're going to have, new target points to look forward to in the future. Right now, market cap 371.1 billion. Obviously, Bitcoin is miles ahead of it right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at 19.1 billion. Volume is still looking decent. We're very, very close to actually, getting close to Bitcoin. So that is a nice thing to see. Hopefully in the upcoming years, we'll see that flipping happen and, make Ethereum the most popular coin out there. Then we have Doge, guys. So Doge is taking off. We're seeing a lot of stuff going on around Elon Musk again and Mark Cuban, where they're pretty much tweeting back at each other again, saying how Doge is so awesome. And Doge is at 30 cents now, up about 5.77%. It was at highs of 31 cents here on Saturday. Obviously, you guys already know that Dogecoin millionaire, he's probably happy right now. He's a millionaire again, I think once it passes 25 cents or so. So he's already in the millions again. He's probably making a video right now saying how he was right. But, in the long term, we'll see how he was, if he was right or wrong. In my opinion, in the long term, I think he's going to be wrong, but we'll see. In the past week, it's up 16.5%. Past month, 53%. Very nice comeback, obviously. And then on the 1 year chart, 8,472%. We hit lows of about 16 cents at one point. So if it reaches 32 cents in the near future and you bought at 16 cents, you would have made 100% profit, even on Dogecoin. Compared to these altcoins, the altcoins are, outperforming Doge right now. Market cap 40.5 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 5.2 billion. So Doge is looking good, but I still don't think we're going to be getting to that $1 area anytime soon, or maybe even ever. That's just my personal opinion, obviously. As I always say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, obviously, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. There's a high risk, high reward type situation in the crypto space. So make sure you know what you're doing. But, if you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like button like we always say, 100 plus likes. Let's aim for 100 likes. I know you guys can destroy that like button. Just tap it real quick right now. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, there's going to be a link in the description. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking at right now? Are you buying, holding, or are you just waiting on the sideline right now? I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.